What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2014 Triumph T100 Bonneville. Guys, this bike's gorgeous. It was owned by a dealer friend of ours. It was his own personal motorcycle. This bike is freaking awesome. It's got 2,000 miles on it. He had like a protective film over it so that the paint didn't get scratched when it was all dusty, and so it's a little dusty here on the back. I gotta get it all completely cleaned off. But this bike is in insanely good shape. Tires are in great shape, plenty of tread left. Seats in great shape. I mean, he took exceptional care of this bike. A lot of these, dealer friends of ours, they always kind of, whenever they buy stuff, even for themselves, they always kind of have the idea that they're gonna maybe move on to something else, because they're always kind of trading and doing all that kind of stuff. So they keep bikes in insane condition because they know that that's going to add to the resale value of it. So most of this stuff is just phenomenally kept. Tire tread in the front's great. Side of the tank is in great shape. This is all in really good shape. Like I said, it's got 2,000 miles on it. I mean, how much can go wrong in 2,000 miles? Everything's basically stock on this bike. Let's fire. Let's see. Like I said, 2,325 miles. It fires up right away. Bike runs absolutely great, guys. Like I said, 2014 Triumph Bonneville T100. This bike is gorgeous. It's not going to last long, guys. These bikes sell so quick, and they're phenomenal to ride. So thanks a ton for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the pictures on the website, as well as check out the test drive video on this bike. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.